In this real review of ClickCash, we're going to take a look at the sales page to see if the claims on the sales page match what is delivered inside of the product if you were to purchase ClickCash. That is launching today, October 22nd, 2021 on Warrior Plus, the long-awaited $2.6 billion loophole that converts clicks to cash, how I continuously earn $24.99 when someone clicks their mouse, guaranteed cash even if they don't make a purchase. The video sales letter highlights these bullets. We're enjoying lifelong passive profits of $5 to $1,000 per day. They click and you cash out. Get free traffic in 22 seconds. Set it up once, forget about it, and still profit. Floods of free traffic from 3.86 billion visitors. No selling required, but we're still getting paid. Of course, now it's your turn. In just 3 steps, you're going to be cashing in on 3.86 billion free buyers. Step 1, activate. Step 2, link up. Press one button to auto drop your link to 3.86 billion buyers. Step 3, profit. Every time someone clicks on your links, get paid $24.99 without any selling. Once we've activated ClickCash, the profits never stop rolling in. So inside of ClickCash, what do you actually get? Inside the tutorials, they're going to show you a demo. Then they're going to show you how to add videos to your campaigns, which will make up your ClickCash sites. Then they're going to show you how to monetize your ClickCash sites. And of course, they're going to do that with Google AdSense, Taboola, Media.net, Infolinks, and Outbrain, as well as you can see here, ClickCash traffic. I'm going to highlight here, but as you can see as a sneak peek, have social accounts. I think you can see where this is going. So what is Click-to-Cash? Click-to-Cash app is going to build this website right here, where you have your potential audience coming from over here, people or traffic, aka the internet. You're looking for your audience, you're looking for people or what's called traffic over on the internet, and you're going to get those potential audience members, those people or that traffic over to your ClickCash site. Then they're going to watch the videos that you add to your ClickCash site, and then they're going to click on your affiliate links that are on your ClickCash site, or they're going to watch the ads or see the ads that are on the ClickCash site. Of course, the ad networks is going to be the code that you're going to add to the ClickCash site once you are approved, or probably I should say if you get approved to the ad networks. Back to ClickCash, the ClickCash apps, you go to ClickCash sites, you click new sites, and this is where you create a site. In this case, you would create a site. We'll call this 1234. Of course, here you would have to upload a site logo. That is a logo that you would need to create yourself or go out and purchase. We'll go ahead and use the ClickCash logo here as a demo. We'll select that, and then we will create site. And then as you can see here in this demo account, the JV Access account that I'm using, you can see all the sites that have been created. And you can see here that it created my test1234, clickcashapp.com, test1234. Notice this link and this link. If we scroll back up to the top, the site URL and the magic link, they're actually the same link. This magic link just redirects back to the site URL. I'll show you this in action. I'll click on the magic link. You can see here, this is the demo site, clickcashapp.com/healthwise. Go back, you can see the magic link and the site URL actually the same link. So I'm not sure what the purpose of calling this a magic link other than to make it something that it's not. It's not magic. It's the exact same link. It just redirects to this link. Technically, it could be called a shortened link, and I guess that is supposed to be more attractive. Clickcashapp.com 1me is more attractive than if you were to use a long URL like you see down here. Dog training tips and tricks would be shortened to clickcashapp.com with the shortened URL there. Moving on, here's where you define niches. What you do here is you create a niche, and inside of that niche you have the ability to add different niches to different categories inside of your ClickCash sites. Here you come down and you create a campaign. When you create a campaign, you create the title, and here is where you actually place the videos. So you go to YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion, or Facebook, and you go and you get the video URL that you want to share here, and you share the URL, or you embed the code, or you can upload your own video and your own thumbnail. And then you add that to your ClickCash site, as you can see here. for example, health-wise, and you say what niche that video belongs to. And then once you have that, you can see under Manage Campaigns, what it looks like is you have these different ClickCash sites with all these different videos, and you can see here, for example, this video is on this site, this wedding arc video is on this fashion site, and now let's go back to ClickCash sites, Manage Sites, and take a look at one of the sites. We'll go ahead and we'll click here, and of course this is the health site. So this is the site that you'll be creating. These are the banner ads that you'll add yourself, so you'll need to come up with these banner ads or get them from the affiliate offer and then add this to the site. And then of course all these videos that you see here will have to be manually gone and found, and then take that URL or that embed code and add it to the ClickCash app, and that will create your site that you see right here. Then the idea is someone will come to this site. Of course, you will have to drive traffic to this site. Traffic is not included. I'm going to cover more of that here in a second. What will happen is you click on one of these videos. That opens up the video that you see here. Someone will press play. They will watch this video. Inside this video, there will be a link here, this little box. Links out to ClickBank. You can see the link in the left-hand corner. That is your affiliate link. Or lose 10 kilograms in 10 days. And there's a little call to action here in this red box. And that's supposed to get them to click here or come down here and click this banner ad. And that's how you would make money. And of course, you can share to Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter again. Actually, I think this is Tumblr and Facebook. Back to the ClickCash app. Now we'll cover traffic. Method number one is to click this. It launches addtoany.com, the share button, and you can see here you would share your ClickCash app. You'd click the share button, and here's where you would tap into the 3.98 billion buyers. The audience that you have built or not built would determine whether or not you have buyer traffic or not to your ClickCashApp.com site. Back to traffic method number two. It takes you over where you register for this mymaximapp.com. Then what you do here is go under accounts and you connect this Maxima traffic. This is a management system to manage your Twitter, your Tumblr, your Reddit, your Vimeo, your Telegram, your Dailymotion. You would need accounts on all of these, and then you would use this tool to share your Cash App site. Again, this site right here, 8 Healthy Foods, with the video, with the overlay links, these buttons, if you will, that are on the video inside of the video player, or these banner ads on your site. If I click back, you can see again, this is the site that you will be manually adding these videos to. Here inside of your campaigns, again, create campaign, where you add the video URL from the sources for the niche. So you'd have to do this for every video that you want to add. And those are your two traffic sources. Sharing to all social medias and or other websites, for example, Evernote from addtoany.com, or sharing or managing your sharing from Maxima traffic to Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, Vimeo, Telegram, and Dailymotion. Back to ClickCash. Here you have ClickCash ads. This is where you would add your code. Of course, if you go under tutorials and you scroll down, this comes back under ClickCash monetization, registering with any of these pay-per-click platforms, Google AdSense, Taboola, Media.net, InfoLinks, and Outbrain. Of course, if you didn't know, before you sign up, these are the eligibility requirements for AdSense. Do you have your own unique and interesting content? The answer is no. You are taking someone else's content from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or Facebook. For Taboola, they have minimum requirements. What is the Taboola minimum traffic requirement? Taboola requires that publishers have a minimum of 500,000 monthly page views. So do you think you're going to get 500 monthly page views by sharing your site to all the traffic or all the audience or all the people that are now your audience on all of these platforms? Have you built an audience yet? Have you built an audience to share your ClickCashApp.com site? That is the question. That is what you have to answer. That is what you have to understand about this strategy. Back to, you can register with any of these pay-per-click platforms. Go to media.net and read the program guidelines. Our program is currently only open to websites with premium content that fulfill the criteria specified below. Answer me this. Do you think borrowing videos from any of the major video platforms is going to allow you to adhere to these program guidelines to get monetized through media.net. Contains significant amount of original content that is updated regularly and does not infringe any third-party intellectual property rights. Receive the majority of their traffic from US, UK, Canada. Contain content that is primarily in English. Have a reasonable volume of visitors already using the website. Do not contain excessive advertising. So if you go back to your site and you play this video, you have an advertising banner here. You scroll down. The video that is playing has overlay buttons that you can put here that you can't even exit out of. And then there's a banner down here, and there's more banners here, and that's what this site is all about, is about advertising and putting banners and putting buttons over videos. Do you think that adheres to the media.net program guideline of do not contain excessive advertising? All questions you need to answer before you move on, and you click the upgrade button to upgrade to unlimited income maximizer, traffic booster, reseller, passive income, multiple income, all here inside of ClickCash. That creates the site that you see here, the demo site. This is the site that it creates. Again, you will have to go find the videos. You will have to find the banners. You will have to get your codes. You will have to register for all these other sites. Then the traffic is sharing to all your social media or using the Maxima Traffic app, the Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, Vimeo, Telegram, Dailymotion, social account manager tool that they're giving you for free. Inside your ClickCash app, you can see all of your sites and exactly what you'll be doing. Of course, as you follow along, because now it's your turn in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, activate. Step 2, link up. Step 3, profit. A quick look at the funnel. The front end is ClickCash. Where they get this $24.99 per click instantly, I have no idea. It doesn't make any sense to me. This strategy is definitely flawed unless you have your own social media to share this site. You're not going to make any money from any of the other ones because you do not meet the criteria to join those programs. OTO1 unlimited campaigns. Of course, here, notice this is the issue. This is the problem as well. To remove all the limits in the front end, what those limits are, it's not set on the sales page. It's not identified. And you will need to pay $47 or get the $10 off coupon for exiting off the screen for $37 to go to OTO1. Then you have OTO2, the done for you campaigns. OTO3, the income maximizer. OTO4, the traffic booster. Of course, they told you were going to access 3.9 billion buyers, so why you need to pay for an additional traffic booster, please ask yourself that question when it comes to the question of, what is this product supposed to do? Is the sales page misleading? Do you think this strategy is practical and legit? And as you answer those questions in your head, move on to OTO5, which is the reseller license, which means you could sell this product as your own. Would you want to sell this product to someone when you know that it doesn't even work for yourself? And then, of course, OTO6, passive income masterclass, and OTO7, multiple streams of income masterclass. This allows you to join their masterclasses so you can learn exactly how they're using something like ClickCash app, which I would like to know, I would actually like to see, because in my opinion, ClickCash, long-awaited $2.6 billion loophole that converts clicks to cash, how I continuously earn, again, $24.99. Where did that number come from? When someone clicks their mouse, guaranteed cash even if they don't make a purchase. That statement leads me to the strategy of having the AdSense code or using one of those ad networks that, again, you have to qualify for, that this site is simply not going to qualify for. So, my opinion, hard pass, do not buy ClickCash. Thumbs down, this is not the strategy you're looking for. If you're looking for a legit strategy to build a real online business using affiliate marketing, click on the video you see right now to discover my $100 a day affiliate marketing system. The training's free, the training's legit. I'm actually showing you in that video exactly what I'm going to be doing, and you can follow along and you can do it all for free. Click that, watch that video. I look forward to seeing you in there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.